morning, Grizzlies. Today's Wednesday, April 8th. I'm Greta Gannell, and to start off our show, we have some fun videos of teachers at home showing off their new teacher desks and some talents. Let's see what they've got.
So there's the flag. It's 9 o'clock. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Hi, Granite Bay, it's Miss Farias.
Hey, what's up, GB? Welcome to the House of Hendo, also known as my new classroom.
Hey, Grizzlies, it's Mrs. Landon here at home.
Hey, Granite Bay, this is Mr. Lynn. I'm not in my normal room right now because we're all staying at home to protect ourselves and our community.
Oh, hi there. Mrs. McKinney here, just reading about authoritarian states.
Yo, what up, GBTV? This is Phillips coming at you live from the crib.
What up, Granite Bay High School?
Hey, this is Mrs. Cranmer, and I'm just going to show you my home office, the place where I virtually connect with my students right now. Okay, so instead of home away from home, this is my school office away from school. So I've got a reading chair here, shelves with all kinds of books, pictures of things that inspire me from Broadway shows that I love.
I am working at my home office today, which is basically just at my dining room table.
Pictures of my stepkids, doing all sorts of things that are theatrical. And this is my workstation. I also am visited by this sweet little girl right here. That's Lily. Say hi, Lily.
And these are my office mates. That's Leah and Fiona. Yes, they have 2 dog beds. No, they always want what the other one has.
Say what up to the pup.
Most of the furniture in here actually belongs to this boy, a big fluffy boy who keeps me company.
And I was able to go into work today and make some videos and do a Google Meet with students, so that was super fun. But now I'm trying to get some work done in my dining room.
Come check out my new home office setting up. So we picked a really nice sunny room, and the house plants, keeping it kind of like our old classroom there, hanging out. Got a little chair and a blanket because my house is freezing cold. Over here, I set up like a little place for my workout stuff. So in between Zoom classes, stretch out, do some push-ups, do some yoga. Over here, got a little area for my coffee or my tea on the bookshelf / side table.
I wanted to show you my setup, my little at-home office that I have going on so I can keep working. So here, come with me and I'll show you around. Here is my desk. As you can see, it's a real battle station here. I am just using my Chromebook just like everyone else, but it works as well for me. I've got some pictures from my time in Germany and some other cool things as well. And this cool desk I have. We found it, my fiance and I found it at Goodwill a little while ago. It's really cool. I think it's cherry wood, I'm not sure, but it served me well.
Well, let me give you a tour. Come on down, price is right. Here we go. See here, in my office is a child. I'm not sure of her name. I think it's Addison. She's learning German. Come on this way. As you can see, I've taken over the dining room table. This is where I sit to do all my work and make sure that I email reply everything. I'm using a water bottle to hold up an iPad so I can use Zoom. My Chromebook's not working very well. And I get to sit here every day and read, listen to music. My son sits next to me right here and does all of his lovely drawings. And I also have right here these people. These are my friends. I miss them so much. I've got Mr. Delordo, Miss Goldsmith, Mr. Valentine, Mr. Taster, all my friends. I miss you guys so much. I miss having lunch, but this is where I usually spend the majority of my time.
I'm gonna show you my home office that we got going on here. So here we have this office. This is not my office. This is my wife's office, working from home. Come on in the other room, I'll show you where I work at. Boom.
We picked up this desk setup over here off of Craigslist. Shout out to Jacob for hooking it up. Put down a rug that I already had. And then this is the situation. We've got the laptop, the blue light glasses. So when I want to work in my chair, I can just chill out with that. I've got always a beverage here. Can't have dry throat when you're doing Zoom class.
Welcome to my home office. It's not actually an office, it's a dining room, but I'll show you around. So, first of all, you notice we have the cats feeding behind me, which is entertaining.
iPad, so we can do sketch notes and screen sharing, and then a little stand here for my phone if I'm using that as a doc cam.
And then as you can see, I'm basically just sitting here in my kitchen and dining room because I don't have an office. But that's cool because I have a really nice view. View of the pool. And kind of can keep tabs on all my kids that are running around like crazy. We have an office.
GBTV, these are my very basic juggling skills. Okay, see you later. Stay safe. Bye.
And I definitely would give you some advice to make sure and connect with people, connect with your teachers. Oh, yep, that's my daily life. And just reach out to us if you need anything, and even just to say hi, because I really miss my students, and I love being a teacher, but my job is just not the same because I'm a teacher and I can't see my kids.
And one piece of advice I have for you for learning from home is to make sure you take breaks and get outside. Enjoy the great outdoors. It's good for your mental health.
Yeah, that's my home office. So thanks for checking it out. Peace.
So that's all I need. That's all I've got working with. So I hope to see you around soon. Stay safe, stay well, Grant Bay.
I miss everybody, and that I love you. Bye.
So you guys stay happy, stay healthy, and stay in touch. Say bye, guys.
Bye. Have a great day, Granite Bay, and go Grizzlies. Okay, that's another thing I do every day.
If you didn't see your favorite teacher, encourage them to take a video and send it to GBTV. Up next are some ASB Corner announcements with Avani.
What's up, Granite Bay, and welcome back to ASB Corner. I'm back with some more updates for you guys. First off, if you're a current sophomore or junior and want to be a link crew leader for next school year, applications are available online at tinyurl.com/gblinkcrew. Online, you'll find the application and information about times and dates for Grizzly Retreat and training. Applications are being accepted through April 24th. Also, our election for our Fall 2020 officers will be held Friday, April 17th, online through 5-star. An email will go out when we return from break regarding the candidates, the election, and the voting process. So make sure to check your class Instagrams and class reminds for the link. Also, we are taking a break on the bucket list if you guys have been participating in those, seeing them around social media. We are going to start back after break, so make sure if you're participating to send in pictures of you guys doing them. Hope you guys are hanging in there. Have a great day, Granite Bay, and go Grizzlies!
Thanks, Ivani. Remember that link your applications for the fall are due April 24th. If you do not follow your class Instagram account, follow them now to keep up to date on class information and updates like class elections. The yearbook purchase deadline has been extended until Friday, April 10th to allow students to purchase a yearbook directly from the Friesens Printing Company. Given the pandemic, this 2020 edition will be one for the history books. There is coverage of the crisis and our staff and students pulling together to create an awesome distance learning experience. Use the link and order by April 10th. If you're not sure whether you purchased a yearbook already, please visit granitebayhigh.org and visit the Grizzly News section to see if you are on the list. College and Career Center has created a map to track where seniors are headed after graduation. To add your name to the map, fill out the Google form. If you are having issues with your Chromebook or school technology, you can email our help desk, help@rjuhsd.us, or if you need to get a repair, you can come into the office between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. If you lack internet access at home, the cafeteria will be open from these same hours. There will be a limited number of students allowed inside the cafeteria at once to practice social distancing. The Nutritional Services Department will continue to provide meals throughout the closure, including spring break. Meals are available for pickup Monday through Friday, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. at the following locations: Antelope High School, Granite Bay High School, Oakmont High School, Roseville High School, and Wood Creek High School. Due to the supply demands, a menu is not available. If you are in need of food, an organization called Lighthouse serves Placer County families. Lighthouse can provide food during this time. They are available by phone at 916-645-3300, and they can set up a remote intake for an application interview. On Thursday night, Roseville Joint Union High School District had a special board meeting to discuss how the current COVID-19 outbreak will affect the remaining spring semester. In a letter to students and parents, District Superintendent Dr. Denise Herman made this statement. According to Placer County Health Officer Dr. Amy Sisson, based on the modeling of the current COVID-19 outbreak in California and in Placer County, it will not be safe for students to return to school in a traditional in-person model through the end of May into early June. With this guidance, Placer County Superintendents and the Placer County Superintendent of Schools have made a unified decision to close school facilities for in-person instruction through the remainder of the 2019-20 academic year. This decision aligns with recommendations shared earlier this week from both Governor Newsom and State Superintendent of Public Instruction Tony Thurmond. However, instruction will continue to students through distance learning. Students who are on track for graduation will receive a diploma. Starting the week of April 20th through May, Monday through Thursday, teachers will deliver instruction for 4 days a week. On Friday, teachers will participate in PLC planning, give feedback and grade work, attend staff meetings, and participate in training sessions. Now, let's check in with Mrs. Givens from Student Government.
Hey, Granite Bay High School, this is Mrs. Givens here, your Activities Director, coming to you from my very empty and very lonely room. Many of your teachers probably feel the same way, whether we're working at home or working in our classrooms, that school is not the same without you guys. We became teachers to hang out with people like you, so hanging out with our computers all day is not what we wanted, and probably not what most of you wanted either. So I just wanted to come to you with some information, and you probably already really know all of this, but with the school closure all the way through May, all of our events at school are definitively canceled through May. So there isn't any question anymore, and we were really holding out hope. Some of you I know had been asking about certain events, and we were holding out hope that we'd get some time, but that is not to be for this year, and we are really sorry about that, especially for our seniors. I know that this is something that is hard for your class, that awesome class of 2020. And so we are sorry about that. In student government, my students are grieving along with you, not being able to go to events, but also just honestly, our job is to create memories for you and to create wonderful events that you can look back on. And we are sorry that we aren't going to be able to do that for you this spring. We know that we will get through this. We are resilient, and we do hope that some of our efforts to include, our campus culture together, our bucket list ideas are fun for you. We will be continuing with those after break. So please follow your class Instas so you can kind of be connected that way and make TikTok stories or do FaceTime Friday or face masks or take a walk or create a playlist or whatever. So I know some of those things are giving us some things to do and some ways to connect with other people. And we'll try to come up with some other ways to do that when we get back from break. I'm not sure what that'll look like, but we'll be figuring it out with the rest of you. We do have the Powder Puff shirts and sweatshirts. Don't actually have them, but they are done. And we do want to get those out to you somehow. Just be patient with us. Thanks for your patience so far. We just have to figure out how to do that safely and in an approved fashion. And we will get those to you. And hopefully we can maybe later on in May have a blue and yellow day and celebrate you in that way somehow. And we'll have some other ideas too as we get toward the end of the year. So we hope that you are taking care and staying well and staying home and staying healthy, and that maybe you're finding some hobbies or some new things to do during this time. We know that we will get through it, but we also know that it is hard and that we are dealing with something that we just don't have a lot of experience dealing with. So we hope that you are taking care of yourselves. We do miss you a lot. And we will let you know whenever we know that, when things are happening or when we're able to do some things for you guys in the spring. So please take care.
If you have an announcement, recognition, or story idea you want shown on the GBTV broadcast, submit it to the GBHS Communication Request Google form at the link below. Also, be sure to follow the @Granite Bay High Twitter and Instagram accounts and our Instagram accounts @GraniteBayTV. Well, Grizzlies, that's all for today. I hope you're all staying safe and healthy. Have a great rest of your week, Granite Bay, and go Grizzlies!